It is also delicious. We had fun and a snack. We will definitely need weight-reducing food after this stress-relieving food. My friend keeps checking her phone all the time. Emojis are more important for her than my heart-wrenching stories. That's enough. I announce a healthy minute. I take her phone away and offer rice cakes instead. She is definitely not excited. My friend's face looks like the saddest emoji in the world. But I know what to do. I will combine her phone addiction and a healthy snack. I'll make cakes that look like smileys. Take rice cakes. Separate egg whites from the yolks. Whip the white to make foam and add powdered sugar. Mix it to get a milkshake consistency and add gel food coloring. Pour the glaze into a Ziploc. Snip off a corner and make smiley faces on the cakes. Using the icing of different colors by adding various food colorings into the glaze. Cover the cakes with yellow food coloring. You get real emojis. My friend feels happier when she sees her favorite emojis. It's just impossible to be sad looking at these funny yellow faces. They can cheer you up instantly, and everyone around understands at once the message of your food. Moreover, the rice cakes crunch so funny in your mouth. Intelligent games require a constant brain recharge. So we've eaten all the cookies while solving a jigsaw puzzle. At last, the picture is complete. But we are also out of cookies at the same time. What should we do? Let's eat the jigsaw pieces. Cover the working surface with powdered sugar. Roll out sugar paste. Print out a jigsaw picture on sugar paper. Put it onto the sugar paste. Cut out the outline and cut out the pieces of jigsaw carefully. Let them harden. Solving a jigsaw puzzle is a thing of the past. A new entertainment is eating a jigsaw puzzle. It's a no-losing game because there are never any extra pieces left. Championship on tic-tac-toe. Belle loses round after round. She gets very disappointed because tic-tac-toe is the simplest game in the world. What's wrong? We need a tic-tac. We will need 2 pieces of colored cardboard, a light and a dark one. Cut 2 rectangles. The dark one should be a bit bigger than the light one. Hot glue them to each other. Draw a grid. This is a field for playing tic-tac-toe. Decorate the field with a pattern of X's and O's on top and bottom, and add the name of the game, tic-tac-toe. Define the drawings with markers of matching colors. Make the X's and O's in different colors. Hot glue a box of double-colored tic-tac mints to the field. I take out an improved version of the game for my friend. Just don't put the mints right into your mouth. This tic-tac is for playing tic-tac-toe. Choose the color you're playing with and try to win. Belle wins the first round at once. Maybe it's because she loves tic-tacs a lot, or because she has had a snack by eating game chips. Chess is a noble and ancient game. The rules are unalterable. The knight moves to shape the letter L. The queen moves wherever she wants. And my friend weeps as she loses. Belle is so desperate that she is ready to scatter all the pieces. Keep calm. I've got chess pieces that will be to my friend's liking. Certainly, since they are made of chocolate. We will need white and dark confectionery chocolate. Melt both of them in separate containers using a double boiler. Fill a chess mold with the liquid chocolate. Take off the excess. Smooth out the surface. Put it into a freezer to let the chocolate harden. Take the pieces out of the mold. Break off the excess. Dip a knife with a broad blade into hot water. Run it along the surface in order to melt the chocolate a little. Attach the corresponding halves. Clean the seam. We're playing the Sicilian defense. Don't you know what move is next? Put a sweet pawn into your mouth. And chocolate will help your brain work better. Did you like our edible stress balls? Then write in your comments how you will calm down. Will you make rainbow sugar sticks, a squishy bear, or crunch rice emojis? And don't forget to give your thumbs up Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on the Troom Troom channel.